Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed dal. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of mixed lentils, water, and your preferred spices. This simple dish is a staple in many cuisines, offering a hearty and nutritious meal. We'll cover everything from soaking to the final tempering, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Soaking your mixed dal is a crucial first step. It softens the lentils, allowing them to cook more evenly and quickly. After soaking for about 30 minutes, drain the water and rinse the dal several times until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities and excess starch, preparing it perfectly for cooking. Now, let's cook the dal. Transfer the rinsed dal to a pressure cooker with 3 cups of fresh water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt for basic seasoning. Cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes after the first whistle, or until the dal is soft and well cooked. If using a pot, it might take 40 to 50 minutes. The final touch is the tempering or tarka, which elevates the dal's flavor. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 dried red chili. Sauté until fragrant, then pour this aromatic mixture over your cooked dal. For more great deals and the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Serve your delicious mixed dal hot with rice or roti for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.